Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys from the Italian fashion house Versace. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So I purchased this bag from Nordstrom, which is why I don't have a box. It arrived in this dust bag. So let's go ahead and see what this bag looks like. So this is the small Medusa Chain Tote. It has the signature Medusa head with the chunky chain. I love the different color greens. It really adds contrast against this grained leather. So the bottom of the bag has these two leather tabs, which not only protects the bag when you set it down, but it also adds a little bit of stability to the bag, which is nice. So if you want a different look, you can wear it this way. It just has the gold lettering, which says Versace, and it is super chic and elegant. I love the simplicity of this side of the bag. So it comes with a removable as well as an adjustable strap. Comes with gold hardware. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes for you to adjust it. So you can wear this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. You can also wear this top handle or through the crook of your arm. And let's go ahead and see what the inside of the bag looks like. This is a nice touch. This just kind of keeps the handles together. Also adds a little bit of security to keep your items a little safer. So here you'll see that this clasp helps to hold this structured shape. So if I go ahead and undo the clasp, it will completely change the look of the bag. So now it looks like a tote. And here's the other side. Like I said, it is a very versatile bag. So the inside has this beautiful purple lining. I love the contrast of the green against the purple. It has this pretty large size slip pocket. So here you have your zipper pocket, and it has the gold lettering, which says Versace, and it says made in Italy. Ooh, that's a nice zipper. Pretty large pocket. Just comes with the Versace information. And it looks like a pretty good size bag. Definitely fit all of your essentials in there. And I'm going to go ahead and add the leather strap back because I feel like it makes more sense with the tote variation versus the more structured format of this bag. And I love that it has this right here. I can tuck in that end so it's not just sticking straight up. So that looks so nice. And then if I wanted a little bit more security, I would just be able to put it there, and that's going to give you a little more security for your items. So this is my first Versace purchase. I was able to get this on a sale. I ended up paying $1,225. Regular retail on this bag is $2,125. So I saved about $1,000, and I am so happy I went ahead and got this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.